Hi. One thing that people really seem to like is the resize feature in Canva. If you've never tried that before, this video is to explain that. So I have gone through templates and I found a simple template, but I'm going to need this on different social media um, uh, platforms. So I'd like it in different sizes. You can see this one is labeled as a Facebook post. When you go to resize a design, the thing that I found the handiest is that I can get into a different type here. So I can go straight to social media, and it wasn't like this originally. Now you can choose several different types all at once. So here I've got my Facebook post. So let's say I also will need an Instagram post. And I'll scroll down. And I'll also do, how about something for LinkedIn? Okay. You can select different types and then be sure that you're picking, if you have multiple pages, be sure that you are only selecting the page you want. I accidentally did a whole project yesterday with a lot of pages. So copy and resize will give me duplicates of this in their different sizes. So I'll click that now. It goes really, really fast. Here are the other designs. Now I can open designs and you'll see that there is the Instagram post style, and here should be our LinkedIn post style. So ideally, you would finish your initial one, get all your logos and things on it, and it takes all the components and moves them into the new size. You may need to do some tweaking, but this should save you a ton of time. Have a great day. Bye.